Hi, excuse me. Are you waiting for the bus too? I want to go downtown, but I am not sure which bus I need.
Hi, yes, I am waiting for the bus. I can help you with that. Which place downtown do you want to go to?
I want to go to the city library first. After that, I want to walk to the small park near Main Street. I do not take the bus very often.
That is okay. Many people feel nervous at first. For the city library, you can usually take bus 12 from this stop.
Bus 12, okay. How can I ask that in English in a simple way? I want to sound polite and clear.
You can say, "Excuse me, does bus 12 go to the city library?" You can also say, "Is this the right bus for the city library?" Both are simple and natural.
That sounds easy. Let me try. Excuse me, does bus 12 go to the city library? Is that correct?
Yes, that is very good. Your sentence is clear and polite. You can say it slowly, and people will understand you well.
Great, thank you. I also want to ask about the bus stop. Sometimes I do not know where I should get off.
That is an important question. You can ask, which stop is for the city library? Another useful sentence is, can you tell me when to get off?
I like that second one. It sounds very helpful for a beginner like me. Can I also ask the driver that question?
Yes, of course. You can ask the driver, can you tell me when we get to the city library? Drivers hear that kind of question all the time.
Good to know. Now I want to ask about time. How do I ask when the bus will come?
You can say, what time does the bus come? Or, when is the next bus? If you want to be more specific, you can say, when does bus 12 arrive?
Let me practice that too. When is the next bus? When does bus 12 arrive? These questions are short but very useful.
Exactly. Short questions are often best in daily life. They are easy to remember, and they help you speak with confidence.
Sometimes I look at the bus sign, but I still feel confused. There are so many numbers and times on it. I do not always understand what I am reading.
That happens to many people. First, look for the bus number. Then, check the destination, because some buses have the same stop but go to different places.
So I should check the number and the destination. That makes sense. If I am still not sure, I can ask someone nearby, right?
Yes, that is a smart idea. You can say, "Sorry, is this the bus for downtown?" Or, "Do you know if this bus stops near the library?" Those are common questions.
I want to practice a short, real conversation. Can you pretend to be another passenger at the bus stop? I will ask you for help.
Sure, let's do it. I am another passenger now. You can start whenever you are ready.
Excuse me, is this the right bus for the city library? I need to go there this morning. I do not want to take the wrong bus.
Yes, bus 12 goes there. It should arrive in about 5 minutes. You can wait here because this is the correct stop.
Thank you very much. Which stop should I get off at? I am afraid I may miss it.
You should get off at Oak Street. The library is across from the bus stop. It is only a 2-minute walk from there.
That was helpful. Now I want to learn what to say if I miss the bus. This happens to me more often than I want to admit.
That is very normal, so do not worry. You can say, "Oh no, I missed the bus." Then you can ask, "When is the next one?"
Oh, that is simple. Oh no, I missed the bus. When is the next one? I think I can remember that very easily.
Yes, and you can also say, "I was too late." That is another common sentence. It sounds natural in everyday conversation.
What if I miss my stop, not the bus itself? I think that is also possible if I am tired or looking at my phone.
Yes, that can happen too. You can say, "Sorry, I missed my stop." Then ask, "Where should I get off now?" Or, "How can I go back?"
These sentences are very practical. I feel like I can really use them in real life. Can we do another practice round?
Of course. This time, I will be the bus driver. You can ask me questions before you get on the bus.
Hello. Does this bus go to downtown? I need to get to the city library and I want to make sure before I get on.
Yes, it does. Please get on here and stay on until Oak Street. I can tell you when we get there.
Thank you. How long does it take to get there? I have a class later, so I want to be on time.
It usually takes about 20 minutes. Traffic is not too bad this morning. You should arrive with plenty of time.
That sounds good. And how much is the fare? I want to be ready before I get on the bus.
It is $2.50. You can pay with cash or a transit card. If you use cash, try to have small bills.
I am learning a lot today. I did not know how to ask these simple things before. Now I feel less shy.
I am glad to hear that. Simple questions can make a big difference. Once you know them, using the bus becomes much easier.
Can we practice one more situation? Maybe I am late. I run to the stop, and the bus leaves before I arrive. I want to know what to say next.
Sure. In that case, you can say, "Oh no, the bus just left." Then you can ask, "Is there another bus soon?" Or, "How long do I have to wait?"
Let me say it. Oh no, the bus just left. Is there another bus soon? That really sounds like something I would say.
Yes, that sounds very natural. You can also ask, "Does another bus go downtown?" Maybe a different bus can take you there too.
That is a good point. So I should not only think about one bus number. Sometimes there is more than one option.
Exactly. Public transportation often gives you choices. If you stay calm and ask simple questions, you can usually find a good way.
I notice that your English is very clear and easy to follow. You do not use difficult words when you explain things. That helps me a lot.
Thank you, Sophia. When someone is learning, clear language is best. Simple English is not weak English. It is useful English.
I like that idea very much. I sometimes think my English is too basic. But basic English can still help me in daily life.
Absolutely. You do not need long or fancy sentences at the bus stop. You only need clear questions and clear answers.
Now I want to practice a full conversation from the beginning. I will ask about the bus, the stop, and the time. Please answer like a real person.
Sounds good. Go ahead, and I will answer naturally. Take your time and speak one step at a time.
Excuse me, is this the right bus for downtown? I need to go to the city library. Also, when is the next bus coming?
Yes, this is the right bus for downtown. Bus 12 should be here in about 3 minutes. For the city library, you need to get off at Oak Street.
Thank you. Can you tell me when to get off? I am still learning the stops, and I do not want to miss mine.
Sure, no problem. I can let you know when we get close. Just sit near the front if you want to ask again later.
Perfect. And if I miss this bus today, what should I do? I want to be prepared just in case.
If you miss it, just ask, "When is the next bus?" You can also check the schedule here at the stop. Usually, another one comes in 10 or 15 minutes.
That makes me feel better. I do not need to panic if I miss one bus. I can stay calm and ask for information.
Exactly right. Traveling is easier when you stay calm. A few simple English sentences can help you a lot.
Oh, I think I see a bus coming now. Let me check the number. Yes, I think that is 12. This is exciting.
Yes, that is bus 12. You read it correctly. See, you are already doing well on your own.
Thank you for helping me practice today. I learned how to ask about the bus number, the stop, the time, and what to say when I miss the bus. I feel much more confident now.
You did a great job, Sophia. Your questions were clear, and your English sounded natural. I am sure your bus ride will go smoothly today.